Hey guys, it's Thursday, August the 22nd. Hope everybody's doing good and having a good trading week. Having a really good trading week with one currency, which is the pound CAD. I'll go over that when you've been in that thing. Let me squish it, wrong way. Squish it down for you. I've been in this thing since last week, I believe it was. Oh, yes. And it keeps going higher, but I'm out of this. When this shows up, that's when I get out. Because I was able to move all my stops up completely when it makes a higher high. Move the lows, get out. That's on the pound CAD. Now the new ones I'm in is the pound dollar short. It's going to be short-lived though, so I'm really keeping an eye on it. I got in at 131, and I'm going to have a tight stop on it because I'm only going to go for 25 pips on it. Take half off, and then I'm going to go to break even, maybe plus $1, because this lies ahead. Let me scroll right there, up here. That's where we're heading. Now, not today, but it may be next week. So I'd rather do a big short right there. When we get up to that, this is going to be a short-lived retracement, I believe. So I'm going to be real particular about this because I'm already up about 15, 16 pips. So I may go ahead and move it to breaking because it's not giving any kind of retrace back up yet like it's supposed to. This could be just a complete sell-off, and then it goes up. So if it gets to 20, which it's gotten close to, I'm going to move it to break even. Because there could be a little slight retrace. The other one, the Aussie dollar, and it short as well from 0.6741, and took off half the position, and I got my stop at break even plus about $3, I think it is. Yeah, $3. So I've already taken the money off on that one. We already went over the pound CAD. The pound yen was a good, there's a sell opportunity there. You had 1, 2, and back up here for 3. But you usually don't get a whole lot more than that. That would be, if you did get in here, the high of that candle would be your stop, because if it takes that out, it's going to take that one out. So if you're short the pound yen, which, let's see, actually I might do that one myself. 91, I think that's too far. Yeah, it's already gone 50 plus the spread in the 50s, so can't take that one. Euro New Zealand, I was in this one, and as you can see, I got stopped out when it comes to retraces. Got in over here on this candle, not that one. Got in that one, got half the position off. It retraced, didn't stop me out. That's where my stop is. And pushed up, made a higher high. And when it did, because that one already made a lower low than these, I have to move it up to here, and I got stopped out right there. So I'm out of the Euro New Zealand. But I got half the position off with money, and the second half made a little money, almost as much as the first half. So I'm still going to look for a buy opportunity on here, on the Euro New Zealand. The pound New Zealand, it just ran away with the buy. Didn't give you a chance to get in, so I'm expecting that one to come back for a buy, but it could be a sell, because that's where it fell from first. But your stop would have to be way up here. It's too big a risk, so nothing to do on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen, see, we could take out that spike high right there. We're up to it, filled in most of it, but nothing to do from there and there yet because of that. If that wasn't there, then I'd be looking to take a short now with the stop that high right there, but there is a possibility that's going to be taken out We go higher. The Euro Aussie, but of course you can see where I got in long over here. And I've been able to move it up, took off half the position. There's your little retrace, your stop is right there. It makes a higher high right here. You move the stop to right here. Made a little retrace, made a higher high. Now the stop is right there. Retrace again, made a higher high. Then I can move the stop right there, and you can see where I got stopped out right there on the second half of the position. So I'm out of this trade, but I'm expecting it to go up, possibly back up into here. But I need a little bit of a retrace because right now that is too great of risk to that low. So I'm not in that one. I need a retrace. Euro CAD, not in this one. They had 1-2 sell opportunities to get in, and it's kind of worked, but it's hanging around that pivot. See how we closed above it? We're just hanging around it. So I don't like that. Nothing to do on the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie, looking for a sell opportunity on it, but it's not there yet, but it's getting close. Looking for a sale on the pound Aussie. CAD yen, you can see where I took buys. One here, didn't do enough of a retrace. I got off half the position, and I got stopped out on that candle low right there. Got in again, and now I've been able to move my position. So I was able to get half off, move the stop to right here. When it went up, made a higher high. And I actually have my stop right here on the second half of that position. So I've made 2 trades on this one. So I've had a good week, really good week. But they're still not following through because we're in the summertime. Pound CAD's been the only one that's done that. Euro yen, I'm not in this. That's like the New Zealand yen, same thing. It's got that spike high right there, right up at it. If you was going to be short, that'd have to be your stop that high, because if it takes that out, it's going to take that out, it's going to take that out. So I'm not in the Euro yen. Aussie yen, same thing. It's got that spike right there. And that's a lot further away than what it is right now, so the risk is too great on that. But I'm not in that one either. But I've been doing some live streaming just with my charts up. I've not been on it, but I've been posting my charts. So that those of you who don't know, you can look at those. I got those up most of the day. I'll have them back up again here. Probably about an hour or so. Be posting those back up. But this one's being recorded. It'll be posted in about 15-20 minutes. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. It just lets me know that I'm helping you. I hope that I am. If you've been here long enough, you should be doing good. But most people aren't swing traders. Most people want 20-30 trades a day. They want the action. I've been there, done that, and blew 2 accounts. I won't ever go back to that again. And I see a bunch on YouTube that do that, and they're not around long, and they don't make as much money as what that they tell you. They give you the wins and losses. You don't care about that. It's about the pips. How many pips did you get? The win and losses could be just 8 or 10 pips. But I go for the bigger, much bigger numbers, and I don't have to have as many trades. And my losers will be small, always. They'll always be small, but the winners will be big. So that's all the video for today. I won't have one tomorrow, of course, because it's Friday. I don't trade on Fridays. I just look to take off trades on Fridays, and I'll be back Monday with another video. So hope everybody has a good weekend. Also, don't forget, I'll have live, probably tomorrow too. I'll have it going live, my charts, but I just won't be on it. So everybody take care and move your stops when you can, take your profit when you can, and hopefully everybody's making money, and we'll see you guys next week.